Health and well-being, probiotics, good bacteria in yogurt. In the peaceful town of Healthville, on a bright Saturday morning, our friends, Timmy the tiger, Mia the monkey, and Leo the lion, sat together at their kitchen table. They were excited to learn something new about taking care of themselves. "Good morning, friends," said Dr. Daisy Deer, waving her paw cheerily. "Today we're going to talk about something very important, probiotics. You know how we have bacteria in our bodies? Some of them are called probiotics, and they help us stay healthy. Probiotics are like the friendly soldiers in our bodies," explained Dr. Daisy. "They live in our stomach and help us digest food, make vitamins, and fight bad bacteria. They even boost our immune system." "And where can we find these probiotics?" asked Timmy the tiger. "In yogurt," replied Dr. Daisy, showing them colorful containers of yogurt. "Let's try some yogurt," Mia the monkey said excitedly. They each picked a flavor, strawberry, banana, and chocolate, and took a bite. "Yum, I like it," Timmy exclaimed after tasting his first spoonful. "Now, let's play a game to help us remember why probiotics are important," said Dr. Daisy Deer. They played a lively game called Probiotic Defenders and learned even more about these friendly bacteria. "Thank you so much for teaching us about probiotics, Dr. Daisy," they called out as they ran off to spread the word. They couldn't wait to share what they learned with their friends. "Guess what we learned this week?" they asked their friends. "We learned all about probiotics. They're the friendly bacteria that help us stay healthy. We've been eating yogurt every day since we learned about probiotics," Mia the monkey said proudly. "It tastes great, and it helps us stay healthy." "I bet we can create our own probiotic recipes," Timmy the tiger said confidently. "Let's see who can come up with the best one." They spent the afternoon brainstorming and experimenting, eager to make their own creations. "Here's my recipe for blueberry banana probiotic smoothie," Mia the monkey said, holding up a piece of paper with her creation written on it. They took turns sharing their recipes and trying new combinations of probiotic-rich foods. "We learned so much about probiotics this week," Leo the lion said excitedly. "And now, we can make our own yummy, healthy recipes. I feel like we're superheroes with our bodies full of friendly bacteria."